So here we're doing an unboxing for the DonnyFL 2.0 Fat Boy. And I pre-cut this because it was hard to do it with one hand, you know. But I like the way it was packaged. Here's the invoice. I paid $1.75 in total with the taxes, because this is PA. It came out to $185, $87.85, and whatever I paid for shipping. And I can't wait to see this thing. I ordered this on Wednesday around 11-ish Easter time, which I think is 10 in Utah. Can't be sure on that. And I received it today. It came really, really fast. I shipped it like the next day and so forth. So, oh, look at that. So it has the inserts from 177, 22, and 25. And they always add another size for just in case of the pellet clips and so forth. But I originally bought this for the Diana Storm Rider here, because I already have a moderator for my Avenger, and it has the DonnyFL extender tube, yada yada. Don't know quite the name for it, but it's supposed to hold the barrel, so I end up getting a 25, not a 25-30 for recommendation for them, because I turned it into like a straight barrel or so forth, right? And then I have one for my Artemis PP 750. I love this thing. See what it did over there? That little grouping right there by the green line on the right side. That was 10 shots in the same hole, except that little flyer above there. So I originally bought this for the Diana Storm Rider, which I still am, but that has like a 10mm thread, and I ordered an adapter that fits so I could put the 1/2 inch on there. That's been shipped from Canada, but they have a lot of problems with floods and so forth and so on, so everything might be a little delayed. I hope everything works out for them. But I got the adapter from AirGuns Archery and Fun from Canada. If you want to ever check their website, talk to Wes. He has a lot of stuff, a little cool. But this Diana Storm Rider has a barrel band. Recommendation from all the YouTubers. This is before I bought it, so I made sure I bought all that good stuff. And it has a little plug here, so your fill port won't get dirty. But never mind that. So I can't put it on the Diana Storm Rider, but we're definitely going to put it on this and this. Let's see what goes on. Sorry the camera fell. I'm not a camera photographer, but I try my best. So let's see how this works. And I'm gonna put the insert that needs to be in there. Oop. This thing is chunky too. Look at that. For air gun use early. If you see the video that I saw when I wanted to purchase this, it was by Izzy from DonnyFL, And then he explained that it's lighter, it has a grip here, easy gripping to open it up. But let's get down to the nitty gritty. And it fits like a glove. Yeah, they're machinists over there, and they attention to detail. When I get an opportunity, when I turn this around, it's go. Oh, look at that! It's already on the side of it, perfect, the way I like it. So you can see the DonnyFL, or other people can. Look how pretty that thing is. Look at that. That is nice. I keep on dropping the camera. I hope y'all don't get bored on that. And here it is. This is a 25 cal, so I'm gonna put it in the 25-30. That fits nicely there. So with this moderator here that I got for it, I got it with I don't know what you call it, but it has a little comb shape in the back, so when you add it to this, you'll be able to take out the fill port and fill it up nicely. Yep, recommendation. So, and all the YouTube videos I see are very informative. So this thing is looking pretty, sitting pretty on top of there. But if we didn't want it on top of that, I could take this off. Never mind Sylvester. He's my helper. All these are on safety, and they're not cocked, and there's no lead in them. So I'm gonna take this off. Move, Sylvester. Come on, puppy. I'm gonna take this off. It's 20 threads, so it's gonna take a minute to and I'm being gingerly. I don't want to cross. I actually do not want to fit on this. Don't understand why. But you saw it fit in perfectly on this. And something's going on here. And that went in perfect. I don't get it. So I guess I won't be putting it on that, because that might be a different thread size and I didn't realize it. But there you go. The DonnyFL 2.0 Fat Boy. Now we're going So we're about to weigh this. It weighs I'm on a box. It might not be balanced right, but right there it says 6.85 ounces. Measurement wise, $50.86 millimeters, and let's see. Let's convert this into inches. And that says 4.26 inches. Nice. And let me see. So that's 108.25 millimeters. There you have it. Can't wait to use it.